In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to utilize the SYS-AIR with some of our other products, and I'll also be showing you how effective the unit is. Weighing in at just under 22 pounds, the SYS-AIR is very maneuverable and easy to place wherever you need it. What I like to do when I'm in a shop setting is I'll get a SYS cart and I'll actually utilize the hose sustainer to put the SYS-AIR on top of. That way I can maneuver it right where I need it, wherever the dust is at. In this situation, I'm going to be using the CSC 50, and I can place it where most of the dust that isn't caught with the dust extractor is going to appear. In the end, that 10% of the dust that the dust extractor does not collect is that fine dust that's floating in the air. That is where the SYS-AIR comes into play and removes the majority of the rest of that dust. One of the worst culprits in producing really fine particulate is sanding. Even with our dust extractor, there's still a little bit of that dust that gets loose. So in this application, I'm going to utilize the hose that we have available for the SYS-AIR. This hose is just shy of 20 feet, and it's very easy to hook up. And then I can pinpoint exactly where the dust extraction is. It has a plenum that's easy to attach and a strap that attaches the hose to the plenum. The first thing I'll do is attach the plenum itself, and there's 4 tabs that go onto the input side of the SYS-AIR itself. And they simply just snap in. Then I can attach the plenum itself to the hose. It also comes with a Festool strap to then secure the hose to the plenum. Then once that's secured, I can put the other end of the hose wherever I need to get the best possible dust extraction. I'll just secure it with a clamp, then I'm ready to sand. Because the SYS-AIR is the same footprint as the SYS Gen 3, there's plenty of transportation options as well as a ceiling mounted option. To better demonstrate the efficiency of the SYS-AIR, we've set up this demonstration. We have a box enclosed with plexiglass, and what I'll do is I'll start pumping the entire box full of drywall dust. And we have an air quality monitor that you'll be able to see the readings real time as we go through the demonstration. With it full of drywall dust, I'll turn on the SYS-AIR. As you can see, in no time, the air quality is back to normal. You can see clearly through the entire box. The working area would be good to go.